they paired me with the Belle Isle Conservancy to help run Buddy the BeBot, our beach cleaning robot here. We have been keeping microplastics off of the beach, keeping them from entering the Detroit River. It's been so interesting to find everything that she picks up, collect the data, and teach our Belle Isle community about litter prevention. It has been super fulfilling operating Buddy the BeBot this summer. She's out here helping keep litter off of our beaches, collecting microplastics, contributing to data, and I think my favorite part of it has been everybody coming up and asking me about her, and we get to educate the community about litter prevention through Buddy.
Hi everyone, I'm Connor. I'm here at Belle Isle today with our friend Betty, and Betty is a beach cleaning robot. She helps with cleaning up our Belle Isle Beach here. And what she does is she helps with sifting out various pieces of debris, plastic, glass, all of those things that we don't want here on our public spaces and public beaches. And so you can see back here, this is the sifting component. So as Betty runs across the beach, she goes ahead and dips down into the sand and picks up all of that debris and then sifts it out. And then after that, it is then dumped out and characterized and categorized by Belle Isle's lovely interns and volunteers here. So this partnership with Buddy the BeBot here is due in part to our partners here at the Belle Isle Conservancy between the City of Detroit, additionally with the Michigan State DNR, and our other partners, including Meyer and the Council of Great Lakes Region. And all of these organizations play a super incredible important role with having Betty here run across the beach and making sure that all of the components are met, including cleaning up the beach, figuring out what's in our sand, and understanding how we can keep Belle Isle beautiful.